Hello, welcome back to the Contronical again. Today I will show you how to pay electricity bill online through PhonePe app. It's pretty simple. In previous video I have shown you how to pay electricity bill using SBI app. If you have not checked it, you can check it through this card. Before paying the bill, I would strongly recommend you to pay the bill within the due date because made within the due date will reflect in next subsequent bill, and if you are paying after the due dates or after the billing cycle completion, the payment does not reflect in the next subsequent bill and it is shown as balance. So to avoid that, please do on time. So let's begin with, so just go to your PhonePe app, open the PhonePe app and click on electricity, and after clicking on electricity you will get this window, this page, and choose your biller. You have a lot of option if you're living in Karnataka. So there are 5 companies in Karnataka. I am choosing my company Jescom. So after clicking, please put on your account ID. So you will find account ID on your bill. So put your account ID here. If you're urban consumer, you will get 10-digit account ID. If you're rural consumer, so you will get an RR numbers. If on about that RR number, you will be given a 10-digit account ID which will start from G. So I my bill is now is 735 rupees, so which I'm paying now. So it's very simple. After putting account ID, you just have to click pay and just confirm it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share if you found this video useful.